Hi everyone, this is Riyans and welcome back to this channel. Today we're going to review two AI powered tools which will help you boost your productivity. These two tools will assist you in learning anything extremely fast and easier, and I swear this will boost your productivity like anything. Though I knew about these two tools for quite some time now, I've never really used them, but I tried them out today because obviously I was extremely bored and I regret not trying them out before. So I won't waste any more time. Let's just get started right now, and we'll look at our first tool, which is Tome. We're going to look at is called Tome. So this is an AI-based presentation generator, and let me show you how powerful it is. For example, if you want to read something about developments in the cardiovascular surgery, so just write that developments in cardiovascular surgery and hit enter. Now give it some time. It will be generating these sheets, and look, pumping life into cardiovascular surgery and introduction to cardiovascular surgery. This generates sheets which are so ordered properly, and honestly with zero preparation you can just develop one presentation using this within 5 minutes. Just skim through it for another 5 minutes, and actually this doesn't even take 5 minutes. As you'll see, we'll be done within a minute, and the other 9 minutes you can use to just brush up on this, and you can directly go and present. That's how powerful these tools are. So I'll just show you. Generating page 8, usually it generates anything about 8 pages, and it gave you a conclusion page at the end, which is very nice. That is how you would actually develop it. It first has an introductory page, at the end it has a conclusion page. Let's go to the first page and just slideshow. Pumping life into cardiovascular surgery. Introduction to cardiovascular surgery, minimally invasive surgery, cardiac catheterization, open heart surgery, transcatheter aortic valve replacement, and conclusion. These names even I could not pronounce because obviously I'm an engineering student. I have zero idea about medicine, but let's just go ahead. Introduction to cardiovascular surgery. It gave you a good picture of a heart around, and cardiovascular surgery is the field of medicine that focuses on diagnosis and treatment of diseases and disorders of the heart and blood vessels. Obviously it gave you an introductory page, and next you have minimally invasive surgery. MIS is a type of surgery that uses small incisions and specialized instruments and imaging technology to reduce trauma, pain, and recovery time. It just told you what this surgery is about. Then you have about cardiac catheterization, open heart surgery, transcatheter aortic valve replacement. Forgive me if I said something wrong, but obviously I have no clue what this is, and a conclusion page. How awesome is this? So it literally took you less than 2 minutes to generate this, and you can just read about it and get an introduction about whatever topic you want. So we'll just keep this video short. We won't talk much, and let's go into the next tool, which is obviously all of you know, ChatGPT. Now, for example, we've dealt with medicine, so let's deal with engineering now. For example, if I search what is or introduce me to linked list data structure. So it's telling you what a linked list data structure is. A linked list is a linear data structure that consists of sequence of nodes, where each node stores a reference to an object and a reference to the next node in the sequence. The last node has a reference to null, indicating the end of the list. Linked lists are useful for storing collections of data that need to be stored in specific order, but for which it is not efficient to access elements randomly, as is possible with an array. Obviously, one advantage of a linked list is that they can be modified, inserting and deleting as required. And perfect. I can at least validate this because, well, I have studied linked list this semester, and here's an example of a simple linked list program in Java. Now, for example, if you want it in C++, right? If you want to write your record and you don't even know what to do, you're not getting any code, just type how to implement a linked list in C++. Here is an example of how you could implement a linked list in C++. And now this will take quite some time because it is writing the whole code with every possible function that is required, that would be needed, like appending, prepending, deleting from a position, appending at a position, and so on. So I'll just cut the video for now, and then I'll come back to you once it has finished writing the code. It has given you the whole code of an implementation in C++, include the IO stream, using namespace standard is missing here, and class node, class linked list. The last time I did it, it used a structure, and I was sad because I used class all the time, and now it has used class. Apparently it can even guess my feelings this time. And it has called a constructor, and then you have the linked list class with the linked list constructor. It has given you head and delete with value. It's perfect. It has given you the whole code. List.append, you can append these, prepend this, delete with value, return 0. You can just copy paste this code and run it in your IDE and check it's so perfect. And let's come back to tome once, and I'll just you can even search for deeper topics. For example, advancements or AI based DRM techniques. If you don't know what it is, DRM stands for digital rights management. And let us see what this says. This will be our last act for today, and let's see. Outline generating a new frontier technology, AI based DRM techniques, benefits of AI based DRM techniques, challenges of AI based DRM techniques, the future of AI based DRM, the impact of AI based DRM, nice, future of digital rights management, perfect. So let's just go for a slideshow. Unlocking the future AI powered DRM techniques, a new frontier. This will the second page is basically a contents page, like an index what you have in there. Benefits of AI based DRM, challenges, the future, the impact, and the future of DRM in general. So let's just see. Better digital rights management. Okay, this is nice. And you have this, I don't know why you have a picture of is that Death Star from Star Wars? I don't know, but well, it says a new frontier, so maybe sometimes AIs do get stoned. So the benefits of AI based DRM, like literally we're talking about digital rights management, and you see a gigantic hand over here which makes no sense, but again it's AI, so you can't expect much. I guess you can like go back to the normal mode and just give me a second. Yeah, go back to this mode over here, and you can change this picture if I'm not wrong. So yeah, you can modify it as much as possible, but this is pretty good start. Even if you want to make a few changes, you don't have to look at a blank screen. The challenges of AI based DRM, and I am pretty sure changing all these pictures if I'm going up with this presentation. The future of AI based DRM, the impact, and the future of DRM. Let's just read this one. AI-based DRM techniques are just the beginning of a new era of digital rights management. As the technology continues to evolve, it will provide content creators with more powerful tools to protect their work, while also providing users with more secure and reliable access to digital content. Perfect. I would not expect anything more from an AI, but honestly, if I have to give a presentation which I don't even like, I mean, you're forced sometimes in college to give a presentation for 10 marks or something like that, I'm going to use this. Like, honestly, this has made my life so much easier. And just tell me your experiences with Tome once you use it, and also I'll drop a referral in the description so you can use that and get into Tome. And well, that's all I have in this video. And if you know any more AI tools which you want me to look at and make a video about, just tell me about them, and see you soon in the next one. Bye.